After death, the very first sound a person hears is, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. Surely we belong to Allah, and to Him we shall return. At the beginning, the deceased does not realize what has happened. He thinks that he only saw a dream of his death. He imagines that he is being washed, purified, and lowered into the grave. When the layers of cloth and soil cover his body, suddenly his dream is shattered. He begins to scream, but no one can hear his screams. Later, when everyone leaves and he is alone under the earth, Allah returns his soul. He looks around and awakens from what he thought was only a dream. At first, he feels happy, thinking, "This was just a dream shown to me by my Lord, nothing else. Now I have awakened from my sleep." Then he touches his body and notices that everything is only a shroud. Shocked, he asks, "Where is my body? Where are my clothes?" Then he continues, "Where am I? What is this place? Why is there filth and such a foul odor all around? What am I doing here? Why am I here?" Slowly he begins to realize that he is inside the grave, and what he is experiencing is not a nightmare. Yes, he finally understands that it was not a dream. Then he cries out with all his strength, calling upon his relatives, his parents, those who could save him. He calls, "O Zach, O Abdullah, O Khadija, O Aisha, O Uthman," but none of them answer. At that moment, he remembers, now his only refuge is Allah alone. He begins to cry and beg for forgiveness. "Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, forgive me." He cries out in such terror as he had never experienced before. If he was a righteous person, angels with bright and smiling faces would comfort him, giving him peace and glad tidings. But if he was an evil person, then two terrifying angels would appear, increasing his fear, showing him their ugly faces, and punishing him according to his deeds. Then slowly, the torment of the grave begins. A hadith describes this. When a disbeliever or hypocrite is asked about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, they will reply, "I don't know. I only repeated what people used to say." Then it will be said to him, "You neither understood nor did you recite," and he will be struck with an iron hammer. He will scream in such agony that every creature around, humans, animals, and jinn, will hear it, except mankind and jinn themselves. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith No. 1374. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If not for the fear that you would stop burying the dead, I would have prayed that Allah let you hear the torment of the grave." He himself used to seek Allah's protection from the punishment of the grave. Those who wish to be saved from sins and punishment should always seek refuge in Allah, and He will protect them from the ocean of sins. O Allah, forgive my sins, the sins of my parents, my spouse, my children, my relatives, and my friends. Keep me a complete Muslim until my last breath. Prepare me to meet you, my Lord. Allahumma Ameen. Muqallib al-Qulub thabat qalbi ala dinik. O turner of hearts, keep my heart firm upon your religion. Dear viewers, if you liked this video, please subscribe to Hafiz Sorkar Islamic channel and stay with us. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.